Hello guys, and welcome back to a new control fix video. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to repair your DJI Mini 3 when it has a dent in it, such as this. Without further ado, let's get into it. The first thing you are going to need is a hot air rework station. This is incredibly important that it's actually a rework station and not just a hot air gun. You need a pretty specific temperature while doing these things, as plastic can easily be melted, and that's pretty bad. Here we have the 862 dB plus. This is my rework station that I'm going to be working with today. As you can see, it's a little out of shot, but this is where my temperature is going to be displayed, and this is my hot air input. And I strongly recommend one of these. I'm going to comment a link down below, just so you know, this is what I'm going to be using. You will also need a spudger so that you can evenly smooth out the plastic once it's heated to the desired temperature. So, let's get started. For this repair, we're going to be running at around 190 degrees Fahrenheit. This is important because this is polycarbonate, injected and molded. You don't want to burn this, and it can be pretty easy to do. 190 degrees is pretty much the sweet spot, especially for these type of plastics. Let me set my hot air rework to the desired temperature, and I'll be right back. Alright, I've got my hot air set to around 212 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the best I can do, but I suggest you set a little lower. Let's try to aim for around 190 degrees. And make sure you're only holding it for around 10 seconds maximum in each individual area. So let's get started. We're going to be using a small nozzle such as this. Let's move out all of the other delicate parts. And we will slowly go in a circular motion around the deformed place until we can tell that it is ready to be malformed. I'm going to be using my Klein Tools Multimeter as well to ensure that I'm around the right temperature. This is not necessary, but it's helpful in the long run. Great. We've definitely made a bit of progress, but I think we're going to have to repeat this a couple more times to get the desired look. Let's repeat this process again to see if we can get a better ideal shape. We're getting readings of roughly 180 degrees Fahrenheit. This is around the time where it's ideal to start shaping. Alright, one last time. How did that happen? Oh well. Let's start checking with the multimeter again. Looks like we're only getting around 130. Let's continue. Apparently I'm not locked in. We're still down to like 126. What am I doing, bro? Great, we're looking pretty good. I think I could definitely do better. However, I don't need to show you more of this because you've already understood the basics. I could definitely go further and complete this fully, ensuring that all these tight corners are filled. I don't need to do that though. I'm sure you get a hold of this. So, I'm going to throw up an image of before and after on screen, and let me know in the comments, do you think we did a good job on this? If so, leave a thumbs up, subscribe, do whatever. It really helps the channel, and I look forward to seeing you guys next time.